Okay, do you remember this? What did we design? Can somebody give me a brief outlook of what we designed yesterday, the overall structure of what we made yesterday?
So yesterday we completed the first part, the container one section, where we had to put the image as the background and the title,
Okay,
and change the font of the title also. We
okay,
imported a font.
okay. And what are we supposed to do today?
I'm sorry, your voice break in the middle.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so what are we supposed to do today? What will we be doing today?
The second part, the container two.
Okay, so I'm just giving you an outlook of what we did. So our parent widget is a scaffold, and inside the scaffold we have a single child scroll view. So scaffold is done, single child scroll view is done. We are doing the column right now. Inside the column, the first container is completely done. We have a background image that's done. We have a text that's done. So what we'll be doing today is we'll be designing this container two. So within container two, we'll be having one row widget that will split the container two into two halves, two equal halves, and within container one this will be column 1, this will be column 2, and within each of the columns we'll be having containers again. So uh, it's like this is column 1. Just give me a minute. So this is column 1, this is column 2. So within column 1, column 2, we'll be having containers. So this is container 1, container 2, similarly container 3, container 4, blah blah blah. So this is what we'll be designing today, right? And with this, I'll also teach you how to use this widget called as Inkwell.